So hi everyone. Today we will be discussing about how you can estimate how much GPU in GBs you would require to run an LLM. So basically if you are wishing to run an LLM of 70 billion parameters or say 100 billion parameters, at times you are not able to figure out how much GPU would you require. But using this given equation, as you can see here on the screen, you can now very easily estimate a rough idea how much memory you would require in your GPU. So let me explain you the parameters and then we will go through an example to understand this. So M here refers to the memory required and P here refers to the parameters. Like for example, if you are talking about a 70B model, 70 billion parameters, that means P equals to 70 into 10 raised to power 9 because 1 billion has 10 raised to power 9 zeros into 4B. Here 4B represents 4 bytes, right? Because each parameters now is shown as 4 bytes divided by 32 divided by q is the quantization ratio. So basically if you don't know quantization, at times you're not loading the model in full precision. At times you're using floating point 16, you are using int 8. So that ways I will be explaining you everything, no worries about it. And into 1.2. So 1.2, why we are doing this? Because there would be certain overhead memory usage that would be happening, right? So that is why we are multiplying this entire quotient into 1.2. So now let's try to understand how much memory GPU would be required to run Llama 70B model. So now here is the equation. So if you know Llama 70B has 70 billion parameters. So as you can see that P has been now replaced by 70 into 10 raised to power 9 into 4, as you remember 4 bytes, 32 divided by 16. If you are loading the model in 16 precision, floating point 16, into 1.2. Now, if you follow this entire equation, you will see that in the end you are getting 168 into 10 raised to power 9 bytes. Now, if you wish to convert this into GBs, that would be 168 GBs because 1 GB has 10 raised to power 9 bytes. Hence, a model with 70 billion parameters would require 168 GB to run smoothly on your system. Now, similarly for other models, be it DeepSeek R1 or be it Neon Video, whatever is your favorite model, you can estimate how much GPU would you require. Thank you so much.